Hello, guys. Hello, folks. Welcome to this session on generative AI, AI agents, of course, and agentic AI. So, as part of this course, we'll be going through the concepts of generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. So, using no code tools. So, anyone can learn this course and master this course within no time. So, this is for everyone. So, who are from non tech background or IT background, or irrespective of any of your designation. So, you might be a project manager, or you might be a data analyst, or you might be a supply chain or marketing specialist or anyone. So this course is for everyone. So as part of this course, we're going to learn so the AI, the generative AI landscape. So what are the generative AI? So we'll begin with what is AI, and of course, how does AI work, and again see what are the applications of AI. And now we see there is a new form of AI, which is also called generative AI. So before this, we'll also be looking at what are the AI and its subfields here, like machine learning, so deep learning, and of course, so generative AI. Now, what are the use cases? Different kinds of use cases. Okay, so we'll be going to learn them and again see. So we'll be diving deep into the concepts of generative AI. So generative AI is a kind of AI which is powered by large language models that are pre-trained on vast amounts of data and which commonly generate some kind of user-defined kind of content here. All right. So generative AI, if you elaborate it, it is something called as generative plus AI. So that means you generate using AI. But again, see what you generate here. So you generate a content, user-defined content, especially in the format of text, image, audio, video, and again code. So these are the different types of content that we generate using generative AI tools. So generative AI is a kind of AI, so which generates the concepts, which traditional AI can't give us in any kind of format here. So what is generative AI, and of course, how to use them, and what are the different kinds of generative AI tools here? So what kind of content we'll be generating? So what is AI timeline? And of course, so how traditional AI is different from the generative AI, or what are the difference between the traditional, modern, and generative AI? Fine. Then again, we'll dive into the concepts of large language models. So, large language models is a kind of AI that can understand and generate human-like text here. So, these are popular in today's generative AI world because see, every generative AI tools you take it, whether it is ChatGPT or Google Gemini, or let's say, for example, Microsoft Copilot or Anthropic Cloud or any other kind of LLM. So, LLMs are the backbone of generative AI. So how do LLM break, or how do they generate the context here? So how they even, understand the kind of prompts that you give. So we'll also be looking at the prompt engineering. All right. So these are some kind of popular LLMs that we'll be going to cover as part of this course here. So ChatGPT, and again, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, Meta's Llama, and again, Grok AI, DeepSeek, Mistral AI. And again, so we'll look at what is AI agent. So what is RAG model? RAG is something called retrieval augmented generation. Now it's a kind of, kind of agent where it can generate you some good content, so which AI LLMs cannot generate here because oftenly LLMs can hallucinate here. So RAG is some kind of models which can overcome these kind of scenarios here. So we are going to generate so the different kinds of AI agents and again agentic AI. Now, what is AI agent? AI agent is a simple kind of autonomous AI program which performs a task here autonomously. All right. So, but again, see, agentic AI is a collection of AI agents which perform different kinds of tasks here. So you could think of, an agent or an AI agent to be an individual or autonomous kind of AI system. Whereas agentic AI is a group of AI agents collectively work for achieving a particular goal here. So we're going to learn those kind of things. What are the agentic AI roadmap? And again, what are the tools we'll be learning as part of this course? So as I told you, so we go with a lot of no-code tools. So this is a beginner-friendly kind of course here. So where anyone can work on this particular course here. All right. So we'll be learning what is, in A10 workflows or how to use, like for example, LLMs here, how to build some kind of Langflow kind of workflows here. What is like for example, Chat GPT, how to build some kind of custom GPTs here. So we're going to learn all those kind of things here. Plus, So we also be learning something about the Lang chain and the Crew AI as part of this course. Now, let me show you a few things here. The generative AI landscape is increasing every year. If you look at this, so we have this is the average salary per annum. Okay, so in US here. Fine. So you could see this is from Australia. So you could see the generative AI market is rising. I mean, each year exponentially. And of course, if you look at the Indian market here, so generative AI specialists are being given, offered an lucrative packages of almost up to 80 lakhs or to 1 crore in India. And again, so if you look at the global generative AI market landscape, so you could see US is dominating the global generative AI research as per the recent report here. All right, so this is from Gartner, and again, see some other kind of tech firms here. So which is telling you the global AI generative market landscape could almost all reach $1259 billion market here. So which is very, very huge market, okay, in the field of AI. So, I mean, you could look at this kind of graph here. So every year by the year 2034, so this would reach almost all this kind of market size. So this is only for US prediction. So US is taking a big leap in this particular field. So generative AI. So just take the advantage of this kind of thing. So we'll be learning some beautiful content as part of this kind of course here. So as part of this course, we'll be learning generative AI, AI agents and agentic AI with no-code tools like Hugging Face, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, LangChain, ChromaDB, so which is also a part of vector database, and again True AI, Model Context Protocol. So what is again Azure OpenAI? So how to leverage this generative AI features or power of generative AI on Azure cloud. And again, how you can generate images using DAL-E model as well. So Google Nano Banana as well. And again, N8N workflows here. So we're going to dive deep into this kind of concepts here, like what is AI and generative AI fundamentals. So what are the case of large language models? And again, what is OpenAI and ChatGPT? Plus, we'll also be working on a few kind of projects here. So how to build your first custom GPT. So how to build some kind of custom GPT, which is a SQL data analyst kind of GPT. So how to improve your resume using GPT models here. And then, so we'll be going to dive deep into the prompt engineering basics. So in prompt engineering, we'll be learning few techniques like what is few shot, what is zero shot, and what is chain of thoughts kind of prompts here. Then how to optimize those kind of things here. And again, see how you can generate some kind of projects out of this. And again, we'll dive deep into the concept of LangChain. So LangChain is a generative AI tool, so which helps us in creating AI workflows with ease. So we'll be going to discuss about LangChain and again the concept of vector databases. So what is a vector database? How it is different from the regular or the relational database that we have? So how it is different from some kind of databases like Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL. So again, what are the use case of vector databases? How vector databases could help us in different ways here. So we'll be learning all these kind of concepts here. Then we'll be diving deep into the RAG models here. So retrieval augmented generation. So where we'll be creating an end-to-end kind of RAG model. So what is retrieval and generation? So what are document loaders? So we'll be diving deep into the concepts of RAG here. So what are the difference between RAG and traditional LLM generation? Again, so what is AI agents and agentic AI? So what is single agent here and what is multi-agent system? So how does agentic AI works here? And what are the concept of AI agents versus agentic AI? So how they actually work in real world applications. And again, see how you can build different kinds of agentic AI workflows here. So we're going to learn all these kind of things here. Plus, model context protocol, where each and every AI agent communicates. So this is about model context protocol. So then multi-agent systems, where we'll be working with Crew AI and LangChain. So again, fine tuning and evaluation. So when it comes to the case of evaluation and fine tuning, so we'll be learning few techniques like low rank adaptation, LoRa, and quantization, CLORA. All right. So we'll be using some kind of models here. And again, AI agents with N8N. So N8N is a low code and a no code kind of tool for beginners here. So anyone can master N8N workflows, Gen AI workflows here. So I'll be showing you like what is N8N workflow. So how you could build an AI chat agent, and again see what is some kind of other kind of agents like marketing automation, and again like say for example some kind of So blog post marketing agent here, and again, Crew AI. Then we'll be stepping into the generative AI on Azure cloud. In Azure, so we have the concept of open AI. So where we can leverage the power of open AI on Azure cloud. So we'll be using Azure open AI framework in order to create generative AI applications. So how to work on Azure, and again, how to create OpenAI GPT models here. And again, what is like, for example, building images using DALI model. So these are the contents here. Anyone can master this course, guys. So this is for complete beginners. So I mean, this is completely about no code kind of environment here. So everyone can learn this course here. So whether you're from project management or product management or even scrum masters or even data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, so supply chain marketing professionals, digital marketing professionals, or any kind of creativity kind of professionals. So everyone can learn this course here. And as part of this, so we'll be like exploring few real-time case studies as well. So where we'll be building some end-to-end RAG models here. Again, e-commerce chatbot agent, multi-agent systems, call center agent, personal AI agent, generating images using DALI model, building chat agent with Azure OpenAI service, Microsoft Phi as an AI agent. So Microsoft Phi is a small language model. Then after learning this course, you will be targeting so these kind of jobs here. So generative AI engineer and developer, so AI engineer, LLM engineer, prompt engineer, AI automation engineer, and specialist. So post this course, so you're going to, be benefited with interview preparation kind of kit. So where I'll give you, the interview questions here. So which are commonly asked in interviews on agentic AI and generative AI kind of scenarios. And again, so how do you optimize your resume, or how do you build your portfolio? Then again, so LinkedIn profile optimization as well. So how you can build your LinkedIn profile optimization to gain recruiters' attention and get a lot of calls here from the recruiters here and get placed easily. Fine. So we can also be, assisting you in your placement services as well. So this is the entire course. So not only this one, so you will be going to learn something about the concepts of uh, Google Notebook LM. So, which is an AI research kind of notebook. So, you can summarize some kind of information from a document or even from an external website or even from a YouTube video. So, given some kind of sources, so it can summarize everything for you. Then again, so we'll be also looking at how to prepare some kind of PowerPoint slides and again PDF documents on the contents that we generally go with. So, Gamma AI so is some kind of product. So where it helps us to generate some kind of PDF and again PPT reports here. Then lovable tool, so lovable AI. So where you can build websites, where you can build some kind of chatbots here, and again you can build some kind of beautiful images, app, something. So again, Perplexity AI. So where we'll also be using this Perplexity AI in productivity kind of environments here. So these are the different kinds of tools, guys, which we'll be exploring that. So what are you waiting for? Fine. So join this one. So where we will be learning the end-to-end complete RAG models and again LLMs with different kinds of concepts and tools here. So you would be mastering almost all 15 to 20 tools here as part of this course. So do join this one. So click the link below and again do join this course, guys. See you in this session. Thank you.